We are now going to take the information contained in the videos and look at a couple of example problems and then work through some problems on our own. Let's take a look at example 1 on page 18 of your textbook. First question asks you to evaluate 12 minus 2 times 4. Now, we know with order of operations between subtraction and multiplication, we have to do the multiplication first. So, when we multiply 2 times 4, we get 8. Our new math problem then is 12 minus 8. Next step is to do the subtraction. 12 minus 8 gives me an answer of 4. Okay, let's look at the next problem. Evaluate 7 plus 60 divided by, parentheses, 3 times 5. Now, step 1 in PEMDAS is parentheses. So I'm going to do 3 times 5, which gives me 15. I now have 7 plus 60 divided by 15. I'm now left with addition and division. Division comes before addition in PEMDAS, so I do this division part next. 60 divided by 15 is 4. So I now have 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11, so my final answer is 11. Now please note that if I did not follow the steps in these orders, or in this particular order using order of operations, I would come up with different answers to my math problem. And in math, there is always only one correct final answer to a problem. There might be several ways to solve it, but there's only one correct answer in the end. Okay, let's take a look at example 2. This time we have a problem with exponents. So in our PEMDAS, we also have to pay attention to the E. So let's take a look at the problem and our first step. It says 30 divided by, parentheses, 7 plus 2 to the third power, parentheses, times 6. So when I work through these, sorry, my boxes are a little off. There we go. Evaluate the power in parentheses first. So I know that 2 to the third power means 2 times 2 times 2. That's going to give me an answer of 8. So let me just highlight the 8 right here. I did the 2 to the third power and I got 8. Next step is parentheses. So I'm going to take a look. 7 plus 8 is 15. So I'm now going to have 30 divided by 15 times 6. I'm now left with division and multiplication. Now remember, they're on the same level because they're opposites of each other. One's not more important than the other. So I have to go from left to right. 30 divided by 15 is 2, and then 2 times 6 is 12. Now, I'm going to have you work through the next set of problems on your own, numbers 1 through 6. But if you look in your math resource packet, towards the front of the packet there is a page stating order of operations. So you can take a look at that page as you're working through it and make sure that you complete the operations in order. So you're going to complete in your notes section problems 1 through 6 on your own, and then you can check them with your partner.